This is to give the kindergartners a chance to ride the bus before the first day of school. I talked to a parent yesterday, and she has a little boy that kind of has some anxiety about riding the bus. So with Mom on the bus with him here, it'll help him the first day. And it gives us a chance to explain some procedures to the parents. Just so you know that we do not release kindergarten kids to just anybody. They have to be on the release form.
I think for this experience, they'll have a lot of fun. Would show them a little bit of the district, get them the chance to go through the bus wash, and they always seem to enjoy that.
What did you think of the bus ride?
It was great.
Are you excited about kindergarten?
Yeah, I am.
We're just excited to start.